All right, guys, welcome back to my channel. We are out here today. We finally got some decent weather in the forecast for the next few days. So our project today is, we have this bankside here that needs to be tapered. When I did my excavation for my building, I just basically excavated to where I needed to and then stopped. And I'm finally getting around to doing this. We're gonna basically continue the slope from basically the bottom of the hill there down to here, and all the excavated spoils gonna go in the dump truck and start heading to the back side of my building. One, I gotta fill in along the back edge of the building, but two, I also need to start building away from that so I can eventually maybe park my trailers and stuff behind there so you don't have to keep taking up space in the driveway. But we're gonna be able to taper the bank over to roughly where this hay bale is. After then, I'm probably gonna have to do some type of design where maybe I'll get ecology blocks to block out this area. There is utility power running through here and extra conduit for if I ever do internet here. And really big news, we're getting a well here soon, so I do have to rip out that power pedestal, and I'm sure that'll be a part of this video as well. So I'll probably do some type of ecology blocks. Maybe for the time being I'll stack up some rocks here just so you know I don't accidentally dig there. But then going this way, I'm gonna try to taper it as well. I might not taper it as far back as I will over there, just because it will be nice to have an area where I can still drive along in front of the shipping container. But all these rocks here, they're gonna get moved to the back side of the building and allow us to keep building out across the back of the building. So once the machine's warmed up, we're gonna start excavating this bankside and get it all cleaned up. we got all that topsoil moved from the tapered bank. Unfortunately, it was not enough soil to finish this out. We did probably get at least halfway across the building. So once we get some more dirt, we'll continue that out. But just to show you what it looks like over here on this side, this really helped out this side a lot. You can see we brought it up, you know, a couple feet, honestly. By the time we covered over these boulders, did have to do some hand raking. Still got a little bit of spots that I could touch up on, and right here it looks like it might be a little high, but overall really clean the area up, put some extensions on those pipes, this way we can keep building out from here. Eventually it would be nice to utilize the space behind the building, whether I build a lean-to off of it or some type of party porch where we could overlook the valley here and see the burn pit as well. But overall coming together nicely. Like I mentioned in some of my other videos, getting ready to put in a well. So my next project will be to remove all these stones. The well is going to go up there where the temporary service was originally in. You can see the existing PVC there. And once I get these rocks removed, I got to clean up a few items there, but the well driller is going to back in and back up there, put the well basically where that PVC is, and then I'm going to have to trench from there over to the side of my building next to my meter base again. I did already put a 3-inch conduit sweep in there, so I can just run the black pipe into that, and I don't have to worry about trying to drill a hole through my concrete floor. But overall, just to show you here the bank where these utilities come through, we didn't bother tapering it. I'm gonna probably put those ecology blocks in through here just so in the future I don't accidentally dig there or anything. But tapering the bank came out pretty nice. There is the natural grade is a little extra hump there, so I may take that out eventually, but the main goal was to just have some form of slope here versus just the drop off that had been there for over a year now. So all right, well, I'm just gonna wrap this video up. Thanks for watching. As always, if you could just hit the subscribe button for me, it's gonna help me out. Leave a comment, like what you didn't like, tell me what you want to see in the future. It'd be really beneficial. Eventually we will be grading this yard off here with my dozer, but I have my dozer up the street at the neighbor's house trying to get him a yard. So a lot of projects going on at once, and try to videotape as much as I can. So thanks again, we'll see you next time.